Changing your password for Google Meet is a straightforward process, as it is linked to your Google account. Follow these steps to update your password. Step 1. Sign into your Google account. Go to the Google account sign-in page and enter your email and current password to access your account settings. Step 2. Navigate to Security Settings. Once signed in, look for the Security tab in the left-hand menu. Click on it to access various security options for your account. Step 3. Find the Password section. In the Security Settings, scroll down to find the Signing into Google section. Here, you will see an option labeled Password. Click on it to proceed. Step 4. Enter your current password. You will be prompted to enter your current password again for verification. Type it in and click Next to continue. Step 5. Set a new password. Now, enter your new password. Make sure it meets Google's security requirements, then confirm it by typing it again. Click Change Password to finalize the update. After completing these steps, your password will be changed and you can use the new password to access Google Meet and other Google services. Remember to keep your new password secure.